Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I actually decided that I am trying to get $300 by June, so that this $300 is going to go toward my spending money. I don't have much, so I don't know how often I will be showing this, but I plan on spending this money in North Carolina whenever I go in June. So right now what I'm doing is I am trying to have, if I have a little bit more like with my budgeting, or if I Uber some extra income in the week, I am trying to put $30 to this. So I'm trying not to buy any snacks. I'm trying not to go out to eat. I'm trying not to do anything. So I'm trying to see if I can hit my goal of $300 while I'm still planning on traveling in April. I plan on traveling in May, and I just don't have the extra money for all these things that are coming up. It's a graduation that I have to go to in North Carolina. So I'm like, I'm at the ends of where I'm supposed to be, and I'm just like, do I even have the money? So I got a couple challenges that would equal up to like roughly $100. So this one's $100, which is in the digital download. I believe I'm going to put it in my Ko-Fi. So if you are interested in these digital downloads, they will be available in Ko-Fi. I believe me and Cynthia are going to open up the shop for digital only. You have to like sit down and actually talk a little bit more about it, but I'm not 100% sure. So I am going to put these in the either Etsy shop or in my Ko-Fi. I'll leave all the links in the description down below for the digital. But right now what we're doing is we're going to be stuffing this money. So we do have $30, and I'm going to be using my player cards to stuff this money. So if you're interested, please subscribe and turn your notification bell on. I'm trying to get to 4,000 subscribers as well. So if you don't mind, like this video so you can put me in the algorithm. And if you would like, share my video, comment down below, do all the things. It is free just to help me out. Thank you so much, and just stay tuned.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip a coin. This one is a mystery scratch off. So whenever you get this physically in the shop, it has scratch off stickers. So if that's why it says mystery scratch off, you don't know what the amount is. I kind of wanted to total it out, but at the same time, there's 15, 10, 5, so it's 20, 30, 40, 45, 55, 63. I feel like with these amounts, it should get $100 or a little bit over. We'll be surprised what this one actually happens. And this one's $132, and this one's $100. Now, when you order them physically, they do come with a dashboard. Because I am going to be stuffing this money into an envelope, I have a binder that's miscellaneous that I will have in my high yield. I'm just going to go ahead and put the money there, because I didn't actually print out dashboards and stuff and get everything ready. Whenever I make this in the future, I was actually thinking of just printing out the dashboards and getting an A6, but I don't have any A6 envelopes that I have left over, so I do apologize. But if you do get this, I do have dashboards that you can actually have with that sent with this. So if you do purchase it, you don't have to worry about. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So I do have whammies in here, and I believe it's $15 max that's in here. I don't know if I'll be playing the whammies or not. I only have $30, which I do want to count with you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. What if I $5 that? 30. Okay, so I had it over here with some 5s that I was going to put towards something else. All right, so let's do, I'm going to start here, of course. And this one is the Love as Good as Gold. And then say 100, it's a T challenge. And so let's start. Oh, I'm so nervous already. $5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, okay. No IOUs is not. I'm not gonna do any IOUs on here because I'm just like, I'm nervous already, y'all. Finish a challenge. We are not finishing a challenge right now. Okay, calm down, sir. Calm down, sir. Okay, flip again, $10. Goddamn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $2. Look, we're not gonna do those because I did not think this through. Clearly, I did not think this through. No more whammies. We're not gonna do any more whammies. $2 over there. $3. 1, 2, 3, and then last one, I don't even know why I'm pulling. Oh, it just turned out to be $1. Shut up. Okay, so we're definitely gonna have to take out those whammies out of here because baby, shit, baby. Okay, so let's go ahead and put. Oh, I want it to be separate. What if I did like, because it's all going in one spot. It's $300 or more that we're doing, and we're tracking it. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay. I don't care if it's like it's all going to the same envelope. I don't care. I didn't have a challenge that had $300 that I wanted to do these 3. So that's what we're doing. 3 challenges to save that amount. All right. So this one probably is going to be finished first. And why didn't I just scratch off the floor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's do a 5 and a 1. Okay. I don't know. I'm actually kind of nervous. This one right here. It'll be funny if I actually finish this one first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're going to definitely do one of these 15s and a 5. I'm curious to know how much we would actually save total by doing all 3 of these challenges actually. Like, I don't know. I play these games in my 100 binder usually, and I have like, you know, them going all to different places or whatever, but actually just playing 3 only is actually kind of weird. And it's like, I have no idea. I don't know where. I'm more curious to know how much it's going to save in the end. And then also, I want to know if I'm actually going to be able to do it, because I mean, when I say I don't have the funds, y'all, I don't have the funds. Like, I'm like running it thin, trying to get my April bills together, trying to get my May bills. I mean, yeah, my March bills, my April bills, my May bills, and then I'm supposed to be going back to work soon. So I'm like, do I even have that extra? I decided that I am going to stick to my 9 to 5 because of the job offers that they have right now. No one's paying the amount that I'm paying that without me having to go back to basically the same field that I'm in right now. So that's exactly what I don't want. I do not want the same field. And so I'm going to work on my medical billing and coding certificates and try to get into that so I can work from home. But right now, with me moving in September, I need to have something that's paying 3 times the rent, and I don't have anything paying 3 times the rent that unless I can find something. And I'm looking, y'all. Believe me, I'm looking. All right, so that is it with this. I am going to put this back up, but our goal is $300. Hopefully we can have more than we have until June. So I feel like I can, hopefully, fingers crossed, spread it out. But if y'all are actually still here, put love in the comments down below and actually have some hearts in there if you would like, please and thank you. Make sure you are subscribed, turn your notification bell on so that you can see if I actually meet my goal of saving $300 or more on here. And then also, if you are a newbie, make sure you comment down below. Let me know that you are a new one here, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.